Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are discussing the different parameters of the global food issue. Today we will discuss the pesticides. Pesticides are applied to the crops to control the pests, insects, etc. It is mainly produced in the developed regions of the world and are applied even in the developing as well as the developed regions of the world. In the developed regions of the world, as they have been designed for that specific region, so they are more effective in the developed regions of the world, and the crops which are grown over there are mostly hybrid varieties, and they are more specific and more responsive to the pesticides applied to them as compared to the crops cultivated in the developing regions of the world. Secondly, the developing regions have no infrastructure, or the basic infrastructure is very weak, so its transportation from the developed region to the developing region is costly and its price is high in the developing region of the world. There is another issue, that is of the currency. The currency of the developed region is high, and the farmers pay more for the pesticides as compared to the farmers of the developed regions growing crops and applying the pesticides over there. There is a basic need to produce the pesticides for that particular region in which they are needed to be applied to the crops. For this purpose, the scientists are working and have done a lot of work to produce the pesticides in the developing regions to apply them to the crops for better response than the past. But unluckily, one point should be noted, that the crops which are grown in the developing regions and the pesticides which are produced in the developing regions are not that much effective and standard as compared to the crops and the pesticides produced and grown in the developed regions of the world. If you have any question about this, please ask. I will try to answer your questions. Thank you.